The Jordan 6 Rings returns with a bold gym red colorway that highlights the model's strong connection to Michael Jordan's championship legacy. Originally introduced in 2008, the silhouette combines design cues from several iconic Air Jordan models worn during title runs, making it a standout lifestyle release with deep historical roots. The gym red colorway brings a striking presence, covering much of the upper while being balanced by crisp white accents on the tongue, quarter panels, leather overlays, and heel counter. Black detailing adds contrast across the patent leather mudguard, lace lock, and branding elements, giving the shoe a clean and structured look. The embroidered Jumpman on the heel reinforces its classic identity. Underfoot, a wide midsole provides visual balance, while the outsole draws inspiration from the Air Jordan 13 with its textured traction and signature holographic detail. This gym red edition delivers a confident and energetic update, blending heritage design with modern everyday appeal.